Okay, I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. Here's my shape on a vector layer. Here's my shape. It has no line or stroke is the correct term, but it doesn't have a line around it. It's a shape not made by a line but by the shape itself. Okay, so if I go in, first of all, this was made with the rectangle tool, so it has only one point. I need to convert this to a path. So here's this button here. It says convert to path. Now I have all points on each corner available to me to manipulate. There we go. It's a path. It was a shape. It was a rectangle shape. Now it's a path. Now I backed up too far. That's why I had to do that again. Let me just look at this real quick. I want to change some of the properties. I want to change the color from solid to gradient. There it is. I'll show you how this is done. If you look at the gradient, the fill is there. I've already been playing with this. That's why it came out to be these colors, this yellow and this magenta. Now down here you have the yellow and the magenta where you see in the tool options. So I'm going to take this yellow and I'm going to change it to something random. Let's go with something more cyan. Okay, there it is. Now I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to change it also. Let's go to something a little bit more blue and lighter. There we go. There we have it. Now these markers can be changed so you can have more of one gradient color or the other. You see how it is reflected now in the change. You can even add a point in here. You can add another color. Let's change that color to something completely.
47, and you may find yourself my next assignment.
That noise you heard was my notifications. I'm not getting contacted by Agent 47. Now I'm changing this to yellow. Okay, so see, now I have a point in here that the gradient now has a yellow point on the line. So there we have the way the gradient tool works. If I go over to the line, it's right now it's X'd out. It has no fill for the line. But if I want a solid fill, there it is. I can change that with the thickness, make it thin right there to 2 pixels. Now I have my rectangular shape and I have a line, a stroke around it. It's a stroke, not a line, but anyway, it's the same thing. That stroke could also be a gradient, but I don't want to complicate things too much. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to take this shape now and I'm going to manipulate this shape to whatever shape I want. I can even right click and insert a point and have that point be changed also. This is a way you can make shapes so that you can take that shape and put it on your sofa. You can resize it, move it, and there you have it. I hope you can follow along with this quick video and refer back to it. If there's any questions, once again, go ahead and ask. Okay, that's it for that video. Thank you for paying attention.